Topher here. I'm at the Auburn Ice Caverns and I am going to set up for some solo ice climbing. There's nobody here. It's snowing very gently and I'm the only footprints in the snow. I'm going to set up some single rope technique that's used in tree climbing to ice climb solo. So I'm going to set that up and show you how to do it. Let's go climbing. Okay, so I have my single rope technique all set up. Basically, like I said, a tree climbing technique. You can see here, triple locking carabiner, paw pulley, and then a VT knot, which is a tree climbing knot, and then a rope wrench that's here. The rope wrench puts a little bite in the rope. That way this knot can actively work. Then I have the ascender here that connects to my boot. I can step on my left and climb up the rope if needed. I'm going to take that off for now because we're not going to need that. On my boot, I have a pantin, which is a foot ascender. I also have a chest clip. Now when I climb, this chest clip is going to clip right to here on the paw. That will chase my system up as I climb. The chest carabiner will pull the SRT system up. Yeah, simple triple lock carabiner to the base of the tree. This is a taut line hitch. It's another tree climbing knot that I use to equalize my system here. Yeah, that's the basic setup. I'm gonna rappel down and check out the ice. So I am demonstrating the single rope technique used for rappelling at this point, and the rope wrench puts a small bite in the rope to take some of the weight and friction off the VT knot. You can see how easily it glides with very little input. You can see here in this clip how as soon as you let go of the knot, it locks perfectly. I'm using a static line here that I use as my lifeline for tree climbing. It's not a dynamic rope. So here we are, the Auburn Ice Caverns. It's super warm. It's like 35 degrees, 40 degrees. It's not very good right now, but the ice is super soft, which makes it really easy climbing. As you can see here, this is the route. Really beautiful. And my SRT system that I rigged up earlier. You can see it. We'll go for a nice little climb. Take it easy. Here all alone. It's really nice to be here solo. Here we are. Let's go climbing. I just finished soloing this ice climb here, and I just wanted to show you the beauty of using the SRT system for solo ice climbing. So you can see here I have my rope wrench and my VT knot to a pulley, and then this chest chaser that chases it up, and the pantin that's on my boot that chases the rope as well. You can see when I step up it grabs. It's a really nice feature. So the cool thing is I can you know, self-belay and climb all the way up here solo, which is great, but I also have the opportunity to jumar my way up. So this climb in particular has this big gap of rock up to the top, which I mean is climbable, but for the sake of coolness we can just jumar up it. So if you're ever in a jam solo ice climbing, or you know, something happens, you can always climb out this way. So yeah, check it out. Alright, so I just topped out on my climb with my SRT system. That's where I just came up, as you can see here. Nice climbing, got about 6 climbs in solo. Good day. Alright, see you guys later. Mwah.